You are a criminal. With arms stretched to blue skies, crooked grins, and broad sunshine, you are a criminal. You deserve to be locked away, cast behind broken hearts and tears that didn't deserve to float anyway. I hope you drown in unforgiving heartbreaks, hearts that didn't deserve to be broken, hearts that are no longer working. You resemble a world that dances on sorrows, that balances futures on empty tomorrows. I am ashamed to call you human. How can anyone be so heartless? You planted a seed deep within the confinements of a womb. You gave birth to life, but you created a tomb. Criminal. You stole her heart, though you gave her a blessing. Don't take it as a punishment, more as a lesson learned. Tears burn to create ashes that you are not ashamed to stomp on. Marching band feet that belong to a body that God created, but the image that you have given it was not anticipated. Criminal. I hope you don't call yourself a man, and I hope you clearly understand every mistake that you are making, because you are a boy raised in a society where stupidity is an angel. Her wings spread across nation, kissing innocent lips. How can you look at yourself in the mirror? How can you sleep soundly at night knowing that you created a child, someone that did not ask to be in this world, innocent baby? God's in hell still running freshly through his little veins that you help create, precious veins. You have created a sea of invisible chains. Criminal. Set her free from your captivation, humiliation, and I just wonder, do you see the monsters that you have created, etching scores into open wounds and pouring salt into them later? I hope I make you second guess your manhood when this poem slaps your ego, cause you don't deserve to be called what you are. Not a man. You are not a man. Boom, 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 boom. You dance to the beat of broken hearts, the pitter-pat of restless drums that beat away at your existence. You tell her you love her and then become distant when you realize that something was unusual and that things didn't seem the way that they used to, and that's because the girl that once loved you would cry tears at your feet just so she could see you walk on water. I mean, she had to see some type of God in you, so she tried everything. She stripped herself naked and clothed herself for self-neglect. She created a box of self-respect that you were not ashamed to burn. Criminal. One day you're gonna meet your bunny, but you won't be her Clyde, and that's the day when you finally realize your flaws. At least I hope love chokes the life out of your ignorance. I wanted to die, and don't be surprised if someone hurts you the way that you intended to hurt her. See, one day someone is going to introduce you to what you believe to be the love of your life, the most precious angel that you've seen in a long time. I mean, she's going to blow your mind, and they're going to say, hi, I want to introduce you to someone I've been knowing a long time. Her name is Karma, and I hope you find her beautiful.
Peace, love, and poetry.